welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 115. The appointment of a stranger as passenger superintendent is a disappointment to the local candidates for the position. Full stop. There is a rumor of a demonstration of protest against what have been called the monstrous methods of the administration in this matter. Full stop. There is, however, great danger in a form of remonstrance that may provoke a dangerous outburst in place of the present contentment, and with great respect to the leaders, we fail to see any prospect of their attaining their object if they demonstrate in the way suggested. It is always the unexpected and unsuspected contingency that is likely to happen, and we expect the present emergency will prove no exception to the rule. Full stop. The introduction of a policy of obstruction or destruction, or even of interference with reasonable jurisdiction, may be productive of discontentment all round. Full stop. It is to be hoped every means will be sought for the attainment of the objectives. Full stop.